Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to show you a website where you can get all your AI tools you need. Let's go to Google and search for Get Inference AI Radar and click on the first link, which will take you to their website. So you find all you need for AI for creativity and marketing. Okay, so this is their website. Okay, so we can see ChatGPT as the hottest AI in market now. Okay, and we have the prompt craft and we have the community. Okay, so you have the ChatGPT, which is on top of the list. Okay, we have other AI called the Bluebirds, Get Warm Leads. Okay, so we have a lot of AIs where you can search. So we have the Menf AI. I've been using that to make quality voice AI. Okay, so we have the Boot AI to create pro quality products photography. Okay, we have a lot of AIs, so you can search the ones you want if you know the name. If you don't know the name, you can still search by its use. It will give you those tools. Okay, so let's go to the first one, that is the ChatGPT, and see how it will look like. So when you click on it, it goes to another page where you see the description of the ChatGPT, and you see some review from the community. Okay, so let's click on the visit and let's go to the website. So when you click on it, straight away it will take you to ChatGPT's website. You see, it's very easy. You don't need to go to the URL or go to Google and search for ChatGPT. You just go to the AI Radar and you go to ChatGPT and you visit their site where you can find a lot of tools there. Okay, so let's go back and let's search for another AI tool. Okay, let's scroll down. I have a favorite one called the Dural. It's used to build websites without stress. Okay, so let's search for it. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we have the Presenter GPT where you can make the AI do your presentation slides for you. Okay, let's go down. The Durable. Okay, so let's go to the visit and let's go to their website. Very easy. So this is the Dural. You just click on create and you get started. So you put in your business type. So let me put here mechanic. Yeah, let me search for mechanic. Okay, let me put here mechanic, and the business name, let me do it this comments class. So this AI Radar, you don't need to create an account or login. It's straightforward. Okay, so let's build the website. It will take some few seconds. As you can see, it's generating the home page. Okay, so it's done. Now it's creating the gallery, it's creating the other pages, that is the services. You need to create a contact soon. Okay, it's creating the map. Okay, so as you can see, these AIs are now powerful, which we can use to make life easy for us. So let's wait for, okay, so our website is ready now. See it, let's click on it and let's see how it looks like. Very powerful. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. And if you have any suggestion, you can also comment in the section. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.